A secret request, a shocking refusal, and a war that could have grown even bigger. Welcome to Times XP's War Report. And the conflict between Israel and Hezbollah, it has intensified inside Lebanon. And now there is a new twist that has emerged. Ladies and gentlemen, reports suggest that Donald Trump may have made a very quiet but very powerful move, and that too behind the scenes, using Syria to step into the war. And if that is true, then this wouldn't be a request. It was a move that could change the entire battlefield overnight. According to the emerging details, Washington allegedly wanted Damascus to deploy forces into eastern Lebanon, targeting Hezbollah's position and opening a new front against the group. Can you think what that means? Another army entering an already volatile war zone, more troops on the ground, and a conflict that could quickly spread far beyond the borders. This wasn't just about helping Israel, it was about reshaping the balance of power in that region. But wait, here's where the whole story takes a dramatic turn. Syria reportedly said no. Yes, a clear refusal to the US. No troops, no new front. And that decision may have prevented a much larger regional war, because if Syria had agreed, then the whole conflict could have drawn in multiple countries all at once, turning two-front situation into a multi-nation confrontation involving state armies and very powerful non-state actors. In the meantime, on the ground, the whole situation in Lebanon, it is already worsening. Israeli strikes are expanding deeper into territory, targeting infrastructure and suspected militant position. Casualties are rising, families are fleeing, and entire areas are facing displacement. Well, the humanitarian pressure, it is building, and the fear of escalation, it is growing with every passing day. Well, for Hezbollah, Syria's decision also matters, right? The group has long-standing ties with Damascus, and any Syrian military involvement, it would have complicated the alliances, supply lines, and battlefield dynamics. Now, by staying out, at least for now, Syria is maintaining a very delicate balance, avoiding the direct confrontation while watching the whole situation closely. Ladies and gentlemen, the entire development highlights the behind-the-scene power plays shaping this war. This is not about missiles and airstrikes anymore. It's about diplomacy, pressure, and strategic decisions that can either contain or explode a conflict. One request accepted or rejected can change everything. So here's the bigger question: how long can this balance hold? Will Syria continue to stay out, or could pressure build again? And if more countries are pulled in, what happens next? Because right now, one thing is clear: this is no longer just a localized conflict. It's a high-stakes geopolitical chess game where every single move can trigger a much bigger war.